ZEO stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Zeo Energy stock, the thing is actually blowing up 41% towards the upside. Now, I've done 35,000 videos, I've spent thousands of dollars on courses, mentors, documented everything over the last 4 years, and the only guy that has done this freaking YouTube space. I'm calling moves like 1800% increases in price for freaking free. On my YouTube channel, people are charging $50 per month for this. Like, come on, man. Like, they've been in the game for 2 months, and I'm not even exaggerating this. The only thing that's actually going to be something like that I'm going to observe this from a bullish lens for ZEO related stuff is going to be if it starts breaking about 473. But right now it's going to be like such a boring timeline, because like the double break there never was kind of mad, but I was not behind the chart. And with ZEO, it's only going to be something that I'll short if I see a proper double break. Guess what? Like, unless the rules are met, then there's just no way that I'll force anything. But yeah, it must give me my double break. And if it does not give me my double break, then I will just typically not care. So that's how ZEO looks like. It really depends whether it starts breaking the double lows or it just makes new highs. Big question mark, but I'll keep you updated. I send an email per day for free on my YouTube channel. Tomorrow's email is so saucy, so you're not going to want to miss it out. It's free. It's not pay Patreon. It's first link in the description. Goodbye.